On September 1st, 2009, we were at the pinnacles at Nambung National Park near Cervantes, Western Australia. Dutch sailors passing by at sea in the 17th century had observed them and thought they were the ruins of an ancient civilization. In fact, they were soft limestone covered by seashell sand dunes. In the course of thousands of years, the rain had hardened the limestone, and when the prevailing sea winds gradually blew away the sand, the pinnacles was revealed in all its wonder.